To start, you need some basic maintenance equipment, like a clean mop bucket and a quality mop, a good quality dust mop, quart mop, or microfiber mop. For larger areas, an auto scrubber equipped with a soft pad, a micropolisher or burnisher for restoring gloss, a spill cleanup kit, and of course the recommended cleaning products. For ULTRAFLOR maintenance, we recommend the Floor Clean DC, a neutral pH daily cleaner, and the Floor Clean CR, polished concrete cleaner and restorer, designed to help restore worn or dull finishes. For daily cleaning, we add the Floor Clean DC to the auto scrubber tank. 1 to 2 ounces per gallon is plenty for this. Here we're adding about 20 ounces into a 15-gallon tank. This will work perfectly for large footprint retail or grocery environments. Be sure that the auto scrubber is clean and only used on the sales floor and not in any areas that may be contaminated with oils or grease. Run the auto scrubber as you would for normal cleaning cycles. For simpler or smaller areas, a microfiber dust mop will help keep dirt off the floor daily. The scrubber can then be ran once a week. To remove heavy soils or dirt, run the auto scrubber with the vacuum off. Allow the Floor Clean DC to soak on the surface for 5 to 10 minutes before removing. This will help loosen any dirt that is dried in place, making it easier to remove. After a period of time, remove the excess floor clean from the surface using a normal cleaning cycle. When spills do occur, it's best to clean them up right away, or within 10 to 15 minutes. For this, we can use a clean mop pail with 2 to 4 ounces of Floor Clean DC per gallon. For restorative polishing or refurbishing polished concrete, we use the Floor Clean CR. It comes in pre-measured packets. Just add 1 packet per 15 gallons of water and you're ready to go. This can be added to your maintenance schedule monthly or quarterly, depending on your requirements. Using the Diamatic micropolisher or burnisher at regular intervals will also keep your floor looking like new. Once or twice a year, it's a good practice to check the measurable numbers on the floor to make sure your maintenance program is performing as expected. This may include DOI, haze, and gloss. Keeping a record of these tests will help you track the sustainable performance of your floor over an extended period of time. Talk to your Diamatic representative for more information. You can also visit us on the web at www.diamaticusa.com or www.ultrafloor.com.